Have you ever wondered if you can grow your own eggplants from store-bought ones? Welcome to the wonderful world of home gardening, where even the humble eggplant can be transformed into a thriving plant. Imagine the satisfaction of picking your own eggplants, fresh from the garden, knowing they're the product of your own hard work. The magic of growing your own food is truly unmatched, and today, we're focusing on eggplants. Stay tuned to find out how you can turn a store-bought eggplant into a bountiful plant. Growing your own eggplants is surprisingly straightforward. Let's delve into the step-by-step process. First, you need to purchase a ripe eggplant from your local grocery store. Look for one that feels heavy for its size and has a smooth, shiny skin. Next, cut the eggplant open to reveal the seeds inside. Carefully scoop out these seeds and spread them out on a paper towel to dry. This process can take a few days, but it's essential for successful germination. Once the seeds are dry, it's time to plant them. Get some good quality potting soil and plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep. You can use a pot or a garden bed, whichever suits your space. The newly planted seeds need plenty of sunlight. Place them in a sunny spot and make sure they receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. Water is equally important. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can cause the seeds to rot. Lastly, all you need is a bit of patience. Wait for the magic to happen. It will take a few weeks for the seeds to sprout and a few months for them to grow into mature plants. With patience and a little bit of care, you'll be harvesting your own homegrown eggplants in no time. See, growing your own eggplants isn't as difficult as it seems, right? Just remember the steps, enjoy the benefits of fresh, homegrown eggplants, and revel in the satisfaction of cultivating your own food. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!